Figuring out how to lose belly fat has been the bane of many dieters. Due to the overall structure of the abdomen, reducing belly fat is the hardest part of any weight loss program. If you've tried all the exercise routines and diet programs and watched as none of them provided the belly fat loss you wanted, don't give up hope just yet. Cool Sculpting, a revolutionary new treatment designed to help reduce tummy fat quickly and non-surgically. The procedure involves freezing stubborn fat cells and then watching as they gradually fade away. The process is an excellent liposuction alternative and is perfect for those with little time for a diet or workout regimen. Call 303-452-8800 to learn more about the process that promises to revolutionize the weight loss field. If you're one of the many people looking for a liposuction alternative to help reduce tummy fat, Cool Sculpting is right for you. For more information, click on the link below this video now.